Hi, hello, and welcome to another Monkey Adventures video. We are here at Disneyland with Jamie.
Hi guys.
He's in the States legitimately for 2 days.
It's a little
3
bit
days.
longer.
4 days.
4
4
days.
days. Then he's to go home to pack, and then meet up with me in Florida.
Sounds like an adventure to me.
It's going to be an adventure. That's going to be a whole video series starting next Monday. But this Monday, today, we are here at Disneyland. We're going to be trying out the Skylight Lounge, or Terrace, Lounge Terrace. Name here, whatever the proper is. We'll go over that later though. We'll watch fireworks. We're also here to ride rides. We have lightning lanes today, so we're going to jump through a bit of this, bit of that.
We're going to have fun.
We're going to grab food because we're here late because I messed up, and we're hungry.
And time changed, so we're hungry.
And time changed, yeah. So we're all over the place. What we're eating? Who knows?
It's gonna be food.
You'll know faster than us because that's gonna happen right here. We went to Red Rose Tavern. We got the maple French toast sandwich, and then the pain Perdue platter.
It all smells really good.
It all smells really good. It smelled really good on the way in. They also just gave us sides of syrup. What do you want to start with? Do we start with the sandwich?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's scoot that. Let's try chopping this thing in half. The bread is all just French dough.
French toast.
French toast. So it's really freaking big. There we go.
That's fine.
That works.
But yeah, looks good.
Like that is a thick egg patty.
It really is.
I'm not a big fan of breakfast sandwiches, so we'll see how this goes. I give it a 2 out of 5. I think, no, with the texture, maybe the cheese. Something's just not sitting right with me. Out of 5?
2.5.
2.5, yeah.
Like, it's food, it's edible. But like, it's nothing, maybe 2.75, closer to...
Making my life miserable.
Oh, I know.
Edit all that stuff. 2.75? Okay.
It's somewhere in that range.
The French toast, we're just gonna try the French toast and just syrup, because you have to have syrup on French toast.
Yeah, it's just average. Nothing spectacular.
I think it's just French toast. This is like, it's still cold. Like, I am a fan of French toast. This is not good French toast. This is not it. And the eggs are just gonna be basic. But the basic quick service eggs are fine. They're good.
Yeah, they're just basic quick service eggs.
A 3. It's in the middle of the road. The French toast should be hot.
We also did wait a minute, but like it still should be hot.
But like the bacon tastes like it's been like, it was like thrown in a fridge for a second. It is legitimately cold.
It's a letdown.
It's a letdown. It's bacon.
Bacon's a letdown. That's disappointing.
I'm disappointed in this food. 2, 3. Recommendation. Maybe find somewhere else.
Find something else. I'm just gonna stick with it. I'm changing my mind again. I'm sorry, George. 2.5 for each.
Okay.
They're just middle of the road. They aren't bad.
But for like $15,
It wasn't spectacular.
it's not spectacular.
10 tiny trees that swoon with secrets yet to share.
Season's greetings, everyone!
How was your first, maybe only ride on Haunted Mansion for the season?
Really good. We got a new companion with us.
We do. We got a Scary Teddy now. He's coming with us on our Florida adventure too. That'll be fun.
We gotta get you home.
Hello, humans. Make sure you get my good side. Cheese.
Hey guys, so it's been a long time since we talked. In fact, the last time you saw us, we were on our way to lunch.
It's
It
now
is.
after dinner.
Oh, you did turn your mic on.
Huh?
I didn't even realize you turned your mic on.
I just did.
Yeah, it's now after dinner. In fact, we're within the last 20 minutes until fireworks. We got busy. We were talking. We were running. You would have seen.
We were limping.
We were limping. You would have seen some ride footage between then and now. That's where we've been. Tiana's place. Your first time there. Your gumbo you had there.
It was good. I didn't expect it to be quite that spicy.
It is gumbo.
I didn't expect it to be quite that spicy.
Would you bite it again?
What was that?
Would you bite it again?
I would.
Out of 5?
4.5 again. I have a hard time giving it a 5. Anything a 5 because there's always something you can do different. But it was still really good.
I'd go 4. It's always a solid option. I still love it. I will go out of my way for it. I always just wish there was less sausage, more chicken. Okay, those are always the fireworks. So that's good to know. Your first time seeing the Walt Disney animatronic.
Phenomenal.
No complaints, no anything wrong. Jamie is in case anybody doesn't know, degree-wise a historian and actually works in a museum. Best way to word that?
Yeah.
Best way to word that.
Hi guys, I have some bags to me right now to hopefully take home your bento boxes. Would you guys like to take them home?
Yes, please.
Excellent. Just want to go Dutch or just one for the both of you?
2, please.
Excellent. Here you guys are.
Thank
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 you.
you for joining us tonight, guys.
Yep.
I'll see you guys in a bit for some safety, okay?
Okay. Yeah, so that's cool. Besides like still photos, how much have you seen of Walt though when he was alive, or like of the time he was alive?
So I actually did a research paper on him in middle school. So
There we go. You thought your thoughts on how the animatronic looked?
it looked really good.
Okay.
I'm happy they went with the little bit older Walt more at the park because that's more of the Walt that like I recognize
Yeah.
than like the earlier Walt.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Would you go see it again?
I would.
Okay. Now, right here is going to be a couple quick little shots from our dinner we had. We ate actually at the Skyline Terrace here in Tomorrowland, and we're getting ready for fireworks, which you'll see a couple shots from that. That whole video will be going, when this video goes live, up on Friday. After that, it should be tagged, so it should show up here and it should pop up at the bottom. I can tag that later. I highly recommend going and checking that out. We did a long time talking about just the food. It was really good. We did a full tour kind of up here. Experience, so we haven't done our final review yet. We'll do that here in a bit. But go check that video out. I think we've pretty much decided that once we're done here, we're just gonna chill up here for another. We can be up here for an hour. So about 45 more minutes. So we'll probably just chill up here, let the crowds kind of disperse. Then we're heading out. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment.
Skyline.
Skyline. Comments, Skyline.